Now still his body is lying and it will be donated to the AIMS. And normally in such situation, a lot of memory that crowds the mind. But Sitaram Yechury, for his own affable characteristics, command in language, so many languages, strong vocabulary, strong base in mythology, history, and political ideology. He only did not represent the CPIM. He was acceptable to many others, those who were not in the political arena, even other oppositions, particularly at this point of time when this RSS is trying to implement its fascist agenda through BJP government. So a lot of opposition parties, they came together, and Sitaram Yechury played a very pivotal role. So his loss is huge for us, all of us. Secondly, I remember him since the student days when I was SFI. I attended the 1980 Mumbai conference. First time I was introduced with him. Then I, as a youth leader, since he was in charge for student and youth after Basapunaya, so we were in close contact. Then when I came back to Delhi and worked for 1.5 decades from Party Center, Delhi Center, so we are a very close associate also. And as Central Committee member colleagues, as Politburo member colleagues, we have many memories. But this only thing is, Sitaram Yechury is made out of the struggle and the organizational skills. So only by improving our own organizational strength and mobilizing people in the path of the struggle, we can be able to remember Comrade Sitaram Yechury and the dream that he dreamed, the writings he wrote, the speeches he made, the work he has done, and the unfinished task that he has left. That we should continue with that. He will continue to inspire the left movement, not only in this country but in the South Asia and rest of the world. His writings will be the thing, and the way he left his life for the cause of the people, the poorer section, the working class, that will motivate the new generation also. He was always for the younger generation in other professions also, not only in politics, not only the student youth movement, but painters, artists, singers, journalists. For all of them, the young upcoming people, the Sitaram was a darling for them. So he used to motivate them. So his memory will continue to motivate us.